Whoa! I was just getting you having fun with Cole. You were being goofy with him, weren't you? Aren't you going to go make him laugh again? Go make him laugh again. Oh, you guys. I'm watching. I'm watching. Oh, rabbits, yeah. Go show Cole. He loves those rabbits. Go show him. It cracks him up. See, look at the rabbits, Cole. Oh, look at the rabbits. Throw the rabbits on the footstool. He laughs at that. Oh. Oh. Oh, he thought that was fun. Oh, okay. All right, we'll shut it. We'll shut it. And then you can get the rabbit again. Do it to Cole again. He loves that. Whoa! Oh, he thinks that's funny. Oh, you guys are silly. Oh! Went behind there. Alright, we'll go get it.
Oh, okay.
Did you get it? Okay. Go get it. Do it to Cole again. He loves that. Cole, look at Taylor. Cole just takes it. Oh. Oh, boo! Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's nice. You're playing with them, Taylor. Cole's so good-natured. Oh, fun, Tay. Okay, you go get it, bud.